Did you know that small dog breeds are some of the most popular pets in the world? If you've ever wondered what the tiniest dog breed is, you're in for a treat. Hey there, dog lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of small and cute dog breeds that are perfect for anyone who just can't get enough of these furry little companions. So let's get started and explore what makes these pint-sized pups so special. Now, let's talk about a common challenge many dog enthusiasts face, choosing the right breed. With so many options out there, it can be pretty overwhelming, especially when you're looking for that perfect combination of size and cuteness. You want a dog that fits your lifestyle. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or just want a little buddy to take on your daily adventures, the struggle is real. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's kick things off with the adorable Chihuahua. These little guys are known for their feisty personalities and big hearts. They might be tiny, but they're packed with love and loyalty. Next up, we have the Pomeranian, a fluffy ball of energy that's always ready to play. Their playful nature and cute little faces make them a favorite among dog lovers. Now, how about the Yorkshire Terrier? These tiny pups have a ton of personality. They're smart, affectionate, and love to be pampered. Another breed to consider is the Maltese. With their long, silky fur and sweet disposition, they're like little clouds of happiness. And we can't forget about the Dachshund. These little wiener dogs are not only cute, but also have some serious charm with their playful antics. Last but not least, let's talk about the Shih Tzu. With their adorable flat faces and friendly nature, they make for the perfect lapdog. Each of these breeds brings something unique to the table, making them wonderful companions for dog lovers everywhere. Now, if we had to pick one breed that stands out a bit more than the others, it would have to be the Pomeranian. They're not just cute, they're also incredibly social and can be trained to do all sorts of tricks. Their fluffy coats and playful demeanor make them irresistibly adorable. Plus, they're known to be quite the little entertainers. Whether you're looking for a snuggle buddy or a playful companion, the Pomeranian is hard to beat. So to wrap things up, we've explored some of the cutest small dog breeds out there. The Chihuahua, Pomeranian, Yorkshire Terrier, Maltese, Dachshund, Shih Tzu. Each of these breeds has its own special traits that make them perfect for anyone looking to add a little fluff and joy to their life. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite small dog breed? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you're looking for more pet care tips, don't forget to check out one of our other videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.